Look, bombshell, this how she do it like Montel. Don't call your friend, that's a wrong sale. Set up PK for that long hair. I said bombshell, yeah, a bombshell.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, but I want to start off right by giving y'all a $50 giveaway. So in order to participate, you need to be a subscriber. You have to comment your Cash App name below with $50 next to it so I know what it's for. And I'll be announcing the winner on April 10th, so don't forget to participate. I finally got myself together to record this tutorial. Hopefully you understand everything that I'm showing y'all here. So yeah, keep watching. So for my gel, I'm using Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. This helps me get a good grip of my client's hair. And what you see me holding is Cuban Swiss Marley hair. I'm going to use that for my base for the butterfly locks. So keep watching to see what I'm doing. I'm going to start off by using the Cuban twist hair to braid my client's hair into like a box braid kind of thing, just for the base. But I'm not. So I don't know if you guys remember my previous butterfly lock video, but I still use freetress waterwave hair. For this style, we used a total of 13 packs, but I'm using 2 pieces from the hair per lock. Well, actually 4 in total, because once you wrap, if you need more hair, you get 2 more. But yeah, I'm taking 2 pieces out, and I'm just gonna wrap that around the whole Marley hair until I stop at the length that I want. When I'm wrapping the hair around, I still use my thumb because I still wanted to have that distressed butterfly lock look. So remember to use your thumb when you're wrapping. So now that I'm at the end of the lock, you're gonna see me just take the little piece that's left and just wrap it around the end of the lock securely so that my hair isn't like so my hair doesn't get old quickly or doesn't unravel. So yeah, that's what I did, and then I just cut off the extra piece left, and then I take one extra piece of free tress hair and I open it up and I split that into 2 because that's what I'm going to use to wrap back up to make sure that everything is secure and tight. So I'm going to take one end and I'm going to wrap going upwards. So I told her to hold it so y'all can see it, but I'm going to start wrapping up, and this will help your hair stay more secure, and it won't get old quickly, because this is a very messy style and it can get old quickly, but that will ensure that it doesn't mess up or start to unravel. video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Participate in the giveaway. Follow me on all my social media, TikTok, Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.